I originally made the oil, and now I do make the Salve. So that was one thing that seemed kind of common sense to me. Was, all right, some people are not going to want a liquid. They're going to want a solid that they can, perhaps it's easier to travel with, or really it was going to be easier to work with for them. Now the Salve is not as fast penetrating as the oil, so that's kind of what you give up when you go from the oil to the Salve. However, the Salve allows for more work time. So if you're doing any manual therapy, if you just like, rubbing your knee for 5 or 10 minutes, working with the Salve is going to be a lot easier, because that oil is going to penetrate within a couple minutes. Okay, a minute, probably a minute, and you're going to feel like, okay, it's not on the skin anymore. It's now gone past the skin. This formula was designed with manual therapy in mind from a clinical perspective. And so the longer you work it in and disrupt the tissue underneath, the faster it's going to go in, and the more it's going to cross the skin barrier. So, on the label it says apply, rub it in for 5 to 10 minutes. And that's no joke. I mean, you go 5 minutes, it seems like a long time, but the effect will be even better. And all it is 5 minutes of your time. It's worth it. So I think, there are a lot of products out there and some are really good products. If you find a heating topical that works better than Immortal Flame and works consistently better than Immortal Flame, I'll wrap up shop and just refer you to them. But I do enjoy what I do, and I'm not looking for an out. I simply want to be of service. So as long as I'm able to provide something that is needed, I'll continue to provide it, and put my resources toward that. So I think if you're really comfortable with applying topicals, and that's something that you're used to, go ahead and give Immortal Flame a try. It's strong. You have to remember that. It's going to be uniquely potent. And so you can start small. But give it a try and see how it feels for you. I think you'll find not only that it does what it says it's going to do, but maybe even might even surprise you how well this works for joint and soft tissue pain. Always looking for feedback. Good, bad, indifferent. I want to know my blind spots. So if you find there's something about this that doesn't work for you, something I could improve, either the delivery or some other aspect of it, please feel free to chime in. I really want to hear your feedback.